Sorry?
Oh, fuck, Rich.
So where'd you say we are, Cam?
Sorry, mate?
Where are we?
In the hills somewhere.
We made it here.
Cool.
Well, Greendale.
Greendale.
Lovely little spot.
Alright, here we are. What's happened, Rich?
Here we are at Wombat, slippery Wombat.
What's happening?
You can see there's a puddle down here.
Oh, well, give me a look.
I've actually just gone through that.
Rich thought this was swimming and he's taking his bathers. There's Johnny just trying to get this flooded bite going. We're in all sorts of drama here. That's the puddle that he was swimming in. Bought his towels, set up umbrella and had a bit of a picnic there.
Went for a swim.
Yep.
A little bit wet, a little bit muddy.
How wet are you?
Oh, through to the bone.
Through to the bone, but he doesn't complain. Rich is not a sook. How's your chest?
Chest is good. That was from the last fall. That was the fall prior to this one.
All right, Johnny, what do you think of it?
I think it's blue because it was in the water so much, I reckon.
It's blown.
It's gone
We
for a
went for a
drink.
bit of a swim.
Yeah.
We'll call it the sub.
All right, might have to tilt it back and...
It's more of a...
Thanks for bringing those tools, fellas.
Yeah, that's right. Just they're a bit heavy for you to carry, are they, Rich?
Yeah.
So we have to lug all your shit around with us. No, I'm not happy, Rich. Look, all these tools I have to lug around. Show them the
Look
tools.
at this. We've got...
So if you've got those,
Punch.
We've got a punch.
a punch.
Punch through.
Hang on a minute, that looks for me. I lost one of these about 6 years ago.
Oh, that's enough with the tools. We're going to find out.
Nick's nicked this off his kid.
I haven't.
Is
That's off the little bike kit. Oh, shit. Tell me the situation here.
What's going on in there?
yeah, it's wet.
Are we full of water?
Wet, but I don't
No,
know.
it doesn't look too bad.
Yeah, you reckon?
What are you doing, Rich? Filming your bike?
Yeah.
How come you're not on?
Well, it's a bit slippery.
Why? What happened?
Oh, I come around that corner there. I was coming through that puddle not at a bad pace, I thought. But it
Which
just
side
caught
did
me
you
at the
go?
end.
And which side did you go on the puddle?
Oh,
Looking at it from here,
looking at it from here.
you went on the left or the right?
Oh, more to the right.
Oh, you went that side.
Yeah,
That was a big call.
the deeper side.
Did you plan on...
Well, sounds like they're going. What's he doing? Doughies out there. He's doing doughies. Watch out. Psycho's coming.